This hidden gem should be on your bucket list. Imagine walking through Lisbon's cobblestone streets. Warm sunlight bouncing off colorful, tiled buildings. Start your day with pastéis de nata, a creamy pastry that's pure heaven. Then, hop on the iconic Tram 28, gliding through scenic neighborhoods with panoramic city views. Did you know Lisbon is one of Europe's most LGBTQ+ friendly cities, offering vibrant nightlife and inclusive community vibes? For adventure seekers, head to nearby Sintra for magical palaces straight from a fairy tale. And don't leave without sipping a glass of chilled Vinho Verde by the waterfront. Lisbon combines stunning culture, safety, and hidden gems, the perfect trifecta for your next escape. So why wait? Pack your bags and live the dream. Where should we travel next? Drop your dream destination below and subscribe to join the adventure.